let's go boo ball hunting, cause that's what we do now.
Alright, guys, the beast is somewhere over there. That's who we're hunting for. It's the boo ball beast.
Here he goes. Oh, we got him! Let's go, boy!
Let's go!
Oh, boy! Let's go! Alright, this is my first boo ball. He's dead. Alright, there ain't much room over here. But, he's dead. He's a pretty big one. Biggest one I've seen all day.